Dad, Dad, Dad.
Leo. What?
Real animals. Today I see real animals, not on TV, not in a book, real ones.
Yes, real ones.
I might faint.
You are not going to faint, Leo.
You don't know that, Mia. I am very emotional.
Come on, everyone. Let's get our tickets first.
Dad, it says adult 22 pounds. Child 15 pounds. Family ticket 65 pounds. What is a family ticket?
A family ticket covers the whole family together, usually 2 adults and 2 children.
Is that cheaper?
Let me check. 2 adults, 44 pounds. 2 children, 30 pounds. Total, 74 pounds. Family ticket, 65 pounds.
So the family ticket saves 9 pounds.
Exactly.
Excuse me, 1 family ticket, please.
Of course! That is 65 pounds, please.
I saved us 9 pounds.
You did.
I am very good at maths and animals. Today is a good day for me. Daddy, the map, like the mall directory. But for animals,
Yes, let's see what is here. Lions and tigers, Africa zone, elephants, Savannah zone, penguins, polar zone, reptiles, reptile house, giraffes, Savannah zone, monkeys, rainforest zone.
lions, elephants, penguins, giraffes, monkeys. How do people choose where to go first?
I want to see the penguins.
I want to see the lions.
I want to see the elephants.
I want to see the giraffes.
This is a problem.
Savannah Zone has both elephants and giraffes. We go there first. Then lions, then penguins for Mia.
What about monkeys?
On the way back.
Good planning, Daddy. Very efficient.
Thank you, Leo.
I would have said the same thing, but you said it first. Flamingo lives in South America and Africa. Diet, algae, and shrimp. That is why they are pink.
Is that right?
It says here, flamingos eat pink food. The pink color goes into their feathers. If they stop eating pink food, they turn white.
That cannot be true.
It says so right here, Mia.
Oh, that is true.
Thank you.
He is going to read every single sign in this zoo.
Obviously.
Daddy,
Yes?
it is so tall.
Yes. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth.
How tall?
Up to 6 meters.
I am 1 meter 22 centimeters. The doctor told me. So the giraffe is
Almost 5 times taller than you.
5 times. Does it know it is tall?
Probably not.
Excuse me, you are very tall. I think you should know that. Mummy, It looked at me. The giraffe looked at me.
Yes, it did.
Hello? Hello up there. Can you hear me? We had a moment. Me and that giraffe. We connected.
It blinked at you, Leo.
That is connection, Mia. You wouldn't understand.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our elephant talk. Our elephant's name is Nala. She is 23 years old.
She is older than Mia.
I am 14, Leo.
Still, Nala is older.
Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Nala weighs 4,500 kilograms.
How much is that in Leos?
About 187 Leos.
187 of me in one elephant. Pause. She must get very tired carrying all that.
Elephants use their trunks for breathing, smelling, drinking, and picking things up. The trunk has over 40,000 muscles.
I have how many muscles?
About 600 in your whole body.
Her nose has more muscles than my whole body.
Would anyone like to ask a question? Yes, the boy in the blue jacket.
Do elephants have best friends?
Great question. Yes, elephants are very social animals. They live in family groups. They remember each other for many years. Scientists believe elephants can feel emotions like happiness and sadness.
They feel sad?
When an elephant loses a family member, they show signs of grief.
Daddy, elephants get sad when they lose someone they love, just like us.
Yes, just like us.
She is not just a big animal, she is a person, kind of.
Is he always like this?
Always.
Where is it? Where is the lion? I cannot see. Oh, there it is. The lion is enormous, completely still, very quiet. Dad, it is looking at us.
Yes.
It is looking directly at me.
There are 50 people here, Leo. It is not specifically looking at you.
I think it is specifically looking at me. Did you see those teeth?
It is behind glass, Leo.
I know it is behind glass. Pause. The glass is strong, right?
Very strong.
How strong?
Strong enough.
Strong enough meaning a lion cannot break it?
Correct.
Okay. I am not scared of you. I am a little scared of you. I am quite scared of you, but I am still here. That is brave.
Leo.
How do you say, I am scared, but I am doing it anyway?
You say, I am nervous, but I am facing my fear.
I am nervous, but I am facing my fear. I think I won.
I think you did.
Oh, they are so cute.
Mia, you have emotions.
Shut up, Leo.
I am happy for you. Showing emotions is healthy. It fell! The penguin just fell over. It fell and just carried on. No embarrassment. Nothing.
Penguins fall all the time. They don't mind.
That is actually a good life lesson.
Is it?
Yes. Fall down, get up, carry on. No embarrassment. Like a penguin.
That is actually very wise, Leo.
I know. The zoo teaches many things. Mummy, it is dark in here.
Yes, reptiles like warm, dark environments.
Oh, that is a big snake.
That is a Burmese python, one of the longest snakes in the world.
How long?
Up to 6 meters.
Same as the giraffe?
Yes, but lying down.
The glass here, also strong?
Also very strong.
Good. It is actually beautiful. The pattern on its skin.
Snakes have scales instead of skin.
Burmese python can swallow animals larger than its own head. Jaw unhinges to open wider. My head is quite large.
You are fine, Leo.
Not venomous. Kills by constriction. What is constriction?
It wraps around its prey and squeezes.
Okay, I have seen enough of this one. Let's see the crocodile. They are so funny. Look at that one. It is sitting on the other one's head. That is exactly what I do to Mia.
You do not jump on my back.
Sometimes I do.
Once. You did it once, and I told you never again.
They look so much like people.
Monkeys and humans share a lot of DNA.
What is DNA?
DNA is the instruction code inside every living thing. It decides what you look like, how you grow, everything. Humans and chimpanzees share about 98% of the same DNA.
So chimpanzees are almost humans?
Almost, but not quite.
We are practically cousins.
Distant cousins.
It waved back. Daddy! It waved back.
It probably just moved its arm.
It waved back. I know it waved back. That is a different kind of wave. A thinking wave.
Leo, you are quiet. Are you okay?
I am thinking
About what?
about all the animals. The giraffe who didn't know it was tall. The elephant who feels sad like us. The lion who was brave, and so was I. The penguin who fell and got up. The chimpanzee who is almost my cousin.
What are you thinking about them?
Every animal is amazing in its own way, and we should take care of them.
Yes, we should.
When I grow up, I want to work with animals.
Last week, you wanted to be a bank manager.
I can do both. Bank manager in the morning, animal keeper in the afternoon.
That is not how jobs work.
When I am in charge, it is how jobs work.
Out like a light.
Best day for him.
He is actually pretty great. Don't tell him I said that.
Your secret is safe.
I heard that Mia,
Go to sleep, Leo.
Thank you. You are pretty great, too.
Thanks, Leo.
Hello, friends. Today was the best zoo day ever. I learned so many things. The giraffe is 5 times taller than me. The elephant has 187 Leos inside her. The penguin fell down and got up, and my chimpanzee cousin waved at me. And I learned these important phrases. Say them with me. I cannot believe it. It is so tall. I am nervous, but I am facing my fear. That was amazing. We should take care of them. Now your turn. Write in the comments. Which animal do you want to see at the zoo? Write it below. I want to know. Yawns. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye. Falls asleep.